It says, subject to clause 4 of Article 88 of the Constitution, the office shall, and emphasis on shall.
The tough war between the Attorney General and the Office of the Special Prosecutor is heating up, with Kamal-Deen Deputy Communication Director of the New Patriotic Party, criticizing the Attorney General for what he described as its lack of commitment for fighting corruption following a High Court ruling on corruption by the Office of the Special Prosecutor. He argued that the Attorney General's insistence of the Office of the Special Prosecutor to formally apply for prosecutorial authorization undermined the fight against corruption. According to him, the Attorney General should rather empower the Office of the Special Prosecutor rather than creating a procedural bottleneck that delays cases.
Shall, for the purposes of this act, be authorized by the Attorney General to initiate and conduct the prosecution of corruption and corruption-related offenses. This is supposed to create a synergy between that office and the Office of the Attorney General.
Right.
So where that synergy is created, Attorney General is supposed to at least give a fiat to the institution, bearing in mind that the Constitution of the Republic of Ghana, per Article 83, okay, says so.
Yeah.
So if this is creating it, and you, the Attorney General, who want to fight corruption, who is interested in it, what are you supposed to do? Simply issue that fiat to him and allow him to work. But you don't go to court fishing for cases to go and join. Either way. And that's what I'm saying, that we, the people in politics, we are committed to making our promises. And if we have made our promise and there's an institution in place, we don't fight that institution. What we do is just correct the anomaly. That's what I expect. So even if the OSP hasn't written to you and you have actually in good faith wanting to fight corruption, you say that no, there's a lacuna here. If there's a lacuna, let me issue a fiat. Let me issue that fiat to cure that lacuna. Simplicity. Simplicity. But because the NDC is bent on clearing every corruption in corrupt institutions and do their own things, they embark on what? Patrolling to look for cases in court to go and join, look for high court judgments to use it against the people. To the extent that when the judgment was given, I was appalled by the Deputy Attorney General. He said, oh, we are taking steps to go and take the cases away from them. If you say the cases were void per the judgment, what case are you then taking? Something that's void. The judgment says the cases that the OSP had handled and still handling appears void.
Right.
And void in law means empty. Nothing.
Yeah.
So what empty thing are you going to pick?